Hey, thanks for watching my video. This video is mainly going to show you how to remove and install the rear wheel of your Ducati Monster. This is an M1100. I really did this video to document the maintenance that I do on this bike anytime that I work on this bike. This is my own personal bike. I've been doing a video just so if I go to sell it, the next owner knows that it's been maintained. Right now this bike has 12,700 miles, something like that on it. Here, let's look. Let's turn it on. So it's going to start up. It's a M1100 Racing ECU in it. It's 12,734. The last time I changed the tires on this bike was 10,507. So I got about 2,200 miles on these tires right now, which I'm going to say is extremely impressive. I did think that I had more miles than that. So I have so many bikes, it's hard for me to keep track of which bike I ride more or how many miles I put on one bike from another. So 2,200 miles on these tires. And I remember back in the fall of 2021 thinking to myself that, man, these tires don't feel so good. But every time I look at the bike, the tread on these tires looks like it's just amazing. I mean, it looks like I can go at least another 1,000, 1,500 miles. I'm not to the wear indicators yet, though I can see them. But this, about a month ago, I got on this bike and I took it out for a few hundred miles, and the feel, the ride was just terrible. And you can see right here, if you look closely, you can see the difference in the tread. The tread on the new tire is extremely deep, and so I've lost a few a few millimeters off of the tread depth on the used tire after 2,200 miles, as expected. But 2,200 miles, I'm extremely happy with that, just because if I were running the Bridgestone S22s, I get about 1,200 miles out of a set of those, and at 1,200 miles, the rubber is worn completely down to the carcass. The tires just shredded. So 2,200 miles on these tires. These tires were extremely sticky. And I know, yeah, I haven't said what they are yet. These are the Dunlop RoadSport II. The Dunlop RoadSport II. And yeah, I did have some tread left on the tires, but again, I rode this bike about a month ago. The weather was good. I hopped on it. I went for a ride, and I was like, man, the bike just, it just feels like crap. It's not turning in right. It's not steering right. And that's mainly due to the tires being worn. So if you think I wasted a set of rubber by taking them off too early, you know, these tires are just over $200 for the set. $200. You know, I would rather spend $200 and have an amazing ride on my motorcycle than spend $200 on a pack of cigarettes like some of you guys are doing. So think about that. I get a better feeling going out for a ride on a Sunday morning than I'll ever feel if I'm smoking cigarettes, which I don't smoke cigarettes, so don't get me wrong. But new tires on a motorcycle just makes your bike feel so much better. So I'm looking forward. It's right now we are on April 23rd of 2022, and the new tires are on. Again, the mileage was 12,724, I think. And I hope I get another 2,000 miles out of these tires. I do have another set on the shelf. So maybe in the summertime, the end of summer, I'll be putting on another set of these. So pretty much I did not tell you how to take your rear wheel off. I kind of just talked about the tires. But you watch the video, just pop the nut off, pull the wheel off, put your new tires on, put the wheel back on, line up the nut with the hole in the axle, put your safety clip on. I do a zip tie to hold that safety clip in place, and there's your new tire on the rear. I am looking forward to jumping out on it and riding this bike the way it should be ridden. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I'm sorry it's not as informative as you were hoping.